guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wear test of the brand new Too Faced mascara, the Damn Girl mascara. I'm so excited about this. This just came in the mail today. I totally was not expecting it. So Too Faced, thank you so much for sending this to me. I so appreciate it. I'm just about to run out of my current mascara, so this came in just in time. Anyway, if you guys are watching this on IGTV, make sure to hit the drop down menu and I will have everything listed there as far as what I'm wearing on my face. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, make sure to check down in the description box down below and everything will be listed and linked and all that good stuff. So anyway, if you guys want to find out more about this mascara, then please keep watching. So I don't know too much about this mascara. All I know is that it came in a really pretty box. And it scared me because I didn't know it had anything like that it was gonna say anything in the box. So like the words or it here, I'll just show you. I'll just let you listen.
Damn girl, those lashes are thick.
It totally scared me. Anyway, a little bit about this mascara. Buildable melting wax formula, outrageously thick and curled lashes that stay lifted for 24 hours, exclusively dual fiber infinity brush, hydrophilic black pigment, patent pending formula, vegan and cruelty free. So I'm super excited. I really like their Better Than Sex mascara, so I'm really excited to try this out. I'm not gonna try it out for 24 hours. It's a little bit late in the day. It is, where's my phone? It is almost 2 o'clock, so we'll say 2 o'clock. I don't know how the packaging comes when you just go to the store. I don't think it comes in this big packaging, but it is cute. I was talking to myself when I was taking this apart, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like super bougie, and I don't use that word, but I like it. Like, I think it is so cute. So the packaging looks like this. I think it's nice, it's sturdy, and I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one is old. It came with the Diamond collection, so I will compare side by side the brushes. I haven't even opened it. I've only seen a couple of the girls that I follow here on Instagram, if you guys are watching this on Instagram, them comparing the wands. This one is the Damn Girl and this one is the Better Than Sex, and you can tell that the wand is totally different. So I'm super excited to try it out. This one from Too Faced, well, they're both from Too Faced. This Better Than Sex is actually old, but I love the packaging, so I didn't want to get rid of it. I have to smell stuff. I'm just weird like that, I guess. So you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in up close and personal. Excuse my messy hair. So you can see my lashes are not like super long. They're just regular short lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna speed through this just so you guys can see, so we're not here for a million hours watching me put on mascara. Side note, I don't know about you, but if you guys notice in my videos, I very rarely show like too much of a clip of me putting on mascara. And the reason why is because I feel like I look super creepy with my eyes and applying mascara. Just had to throw that out there.
But I never really knew that it was over till the quiet and the echoes became colder.
Okay, so I really like this brush. I think it applied the mascara nicely. I do not apply mascara onto my lower lash line, and I want to give this a fair review. The reason why, if you guys are new here on my channel, is because every single mascara, no matter what, if it's waterproof, doesn't matter, it always transfers to, like, I end up having raccoon eyes. I will eventually try it out on my lower lash line, but like I said, I really want to give this mascara a fair shot and wear it for a few hours and see how it goes. And but so far I love how open my eyes look and how long my lashes look, so I really like that. Easy to apply. I did not dip my brush back into the mascara tube, so it's just whatever was on the actual mascara wand, and so far so good. So let's go ahead and do the other eye and then be right back. Okay, so far, like I said, I really like how this mascara applied. I think it looks really good, and my eyes just look bigger, and I love how it doesn't look clumpy. I love that it's not a clumpy mascara. I'm not a huge fan of clumpy mascaras. Let me zoom you guys out. I love that it is not a clumpy mascara. I think that so far, first impression, the formula is really nice. No issues applying it. Did I get mascara on my eyelid? Doesn't look like it. So far I'm impressed. I really like it. I will definitely let you guys know. I will be back in a few hours. I have a couple of things that I need to do. It is not hot today. It is cloudy. There, I think, is a storm is coming this weekend. So we will see how this holds up for the next few hours. It is officially 2:08. I know, 8 minutes trying to put on mascara, but that's what happens when you're trying to record a video. Anyway, you guys, I will be back, and yeah. Mwah. Hey guys, okay, so with the power of editing, it has been about 6-ish hours. It is now, oh my goodness, it is now 8:16 p.m. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's 8:16 p.m. There you go, 8:16 p.m. And I am super excited about this mascara. I can't remember if I said in the beginning of the video, it is a little bit more on the wet side as far as the formula goes, but it didn't even transfer on the top of my lids, and you can probably see a little bit transferred down here, but I went over to a lake earlier, and my eye was just watering because it was a little bit windy, so that's totally normal, and a little bit on this side. But you know what, even my most favorite mascaras does that to me. I feel like every single mascara seems to transfer just a little bit on me. This is actually not that bad, and towards the end of the day, this is like on a normal day that I would have mascara on for about 6-ish hours. It's very rarely that I will go 12 hours with mascara. Anyway, I really like it so far though. I will definitely keep you guys updated. I love how long and voluminous my lashes look. They don't look clumpy or spidery or anything like that. It's definitely my favorite. I know I look like a hot mess. I'm tired. I'm ready to wash off all this makeup, but definitely let me know. I think it launches today when you guys see this. It's either launching today when you guys see this, or it's about to launch, or it's already launched. I don't know. We'll see. I will definitely have it down in the description below, so check it out. Let me know if you guys are picking this up. Let me know your thoughts. I saw a few of my friends on Instagram that actually did one eye with just one coat and then the other eye with 2 coats. Didn't even think about doing that. I probably should have done that, but that's okay. It is what it is, and I'm so far a fan of it. I am actually going to Kansas in a couple of weeks, or in like a week and a half or so, and I hear it is pretty humid. Not as humid as Florida, but it's a little more humid there than it is here. And I will definitely be putting this to the test. So in a future beauty favorites, I will let you guys know my full thoughts on it. But so far, I'm really excited to try this out. You guys know that you can comment down below and ask me later on if I still enjoy it. I will totally let you guys know. But I really like it. I think I might like it better than the Better Than Sex mascara. I think it's really good. So far, that's my first impressions, you guys. Anyway, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this wear test. Again, excuse this messy hair and messy face, but anyway, if you guys did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up or a like. Totally appreciate it, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video.